What's going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, we is at the property and they are getting the rebar set up for the house. We're pouring concrete today at 10 a.m. The concrete truck is ordered, and so I'm also meeting the plumber out here because he needs to put the sleeves in, just like in the last video, into the footings so we can put the sewage pipe out and water line in. I also need to ask him about how we're planning on doing the main water line in. So let's go see what they're doing up in here. There's the water line in, and plumber came and dropped off the sleeves, and then there's the out. Sewage out. So just like in the barn, so that way we got a sleeve for footings to kind of encase it and also not have to dig underneath the footings. That'll be no good, especially for sewage. That's quite a bit of a drop, but it can be done, I guess. But it's, this is the better way. All right, so I just got off the phone with the main water line guy. He's gonna run the main from the water meter, which is all the way down at the road, all the way up, and then it's gonna kind of tee off. One's going to the barn house and one's going to the house. And so we're ready to do inspections Monday on the rough end, and it's all in on the barn house. So that is, we gotta wait to cover it and bury it though before, because we gotta do inspections first. And the sleeve for the water, if you remember, is like right here, and marked it with this sprayed rebar. And so we got to get that dug and put down. I think it's over there where we're coming in with the main water. And so we're trying to get that coordinated to happen ASAP, because we're going to be ready for next week to put this 2-inch foam down. Well, pack this with rock, 2-inch foam, vapor barrier, PEX tubing, all that stuff. So we need to make that happen next week. So that's the plan. I need this guy to come and do this water line, at least sleeve it out and just have it kind of sitting out here and coiled up if we need to, but just at least get it going and get the inside done. And then I got the water guy doing the ground rough, or not water, plumber, gonna do the ground rough once this is poured and they frame this up, or form it up, I should say. So yeah, things are happening. Things are starting to kind of like go. I'm trying to coordinate everybody to go, because if you don't, it seems that people like to take their sweet time, and if you don't push them, it seems that that's what happens. So we're pushing. The girls are playing in the rock. They look ashy as junk. They're like ghosts. I don't know. I'm not gonna complain too hard because they're busy, but they're dirty. Y'all are dirty, huh?
Yeah, we're having fun though.
Having fun. Okay, well, that's what's important. No, okay? No more fun.
Yes, fun.
No more fun.
You say kids are kids, so be kids.
Kids are kids, so be kids. And I'm not, so don't be. Why do I act so childish? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go talk to the concrete guy. Hey, can we just move everything like 10 feet that way? I realize the sun is better shining that way. All right, that's one down. Another one's waiting, so getting them poured. Getting them poured.
Well, he's gonna end up down in the.
You're all ashy, girl. We're gonna have to hose you off. But
Oh, he's still probably. Yeah.
watch out, Alex. Go back to mom, or go back to your sisters.